Today is the day I head to Contravans to go pick up my van. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Ben is wanting to go outside. But yeah, I'm gonna ride up to Denver from Colorado Springs. I'm gonna meet some people along the way and they'll ride with me and it should be a blast and we'll go pick up my van. But first, coffee and pancakes. Let's get it. Well, I'm gonna eat my pancakes and then I'm gonna get dressed. Yeah, then we're gonna head over. I'm gonna meet Greg Daniel here in Colorado Springs in Palmer Lake. And then maybe Danny Summerhill closer into Denver. But yeah, it's gonna be an adventure and we'll see how it goes. Time for some pancakes. Alright guys, this is the last video on this nicer camera. I'm gonna have to GoPro the rest of the ride and the rest of the route. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna film yet. I think, you know, I'm gonna do a separate van tour once I get it all set up and he kind of teaches me how everything works in there. And but yeah, I would love for you to meet Kirk over there at Contravans and just kind of get a deal for that. But I gotta ride to Denver, I gotta get to Denver, I gotta find an ATM in Denver that I can pull out some cash to pay Kurt for his time as well as some beer for the guys over there. I'm gonna leave here in about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna finish up my coffee and start heading to Denver. Alrighty, here we go. So yeah, here's the steed for today. Dixie Flyer, old water bottles. Yeah, let's go ahead and pull up the route. Ride to Contravans, baby. Let's go. All right. See you in 80 miles. All right. So we're like 10 miles in. I'm using Hammerhead and just hoping that they pick the best route for me. Kind of to test out the system. That's it. On my way to go pick up Greg. I'll check in shortly. All right, so I'm about a quarter of the way in. Greggy looks like he's about 5 miles out. And then we'll meet at Sprouse Mountain Road and keep trucking. But currently I'm at a coffee shop here in Palmer Lake. Yeah, dude, I started going that way because I thought that was the road that I was going to intersect you with. Then I looked at your directions and you're like way over there.
Yeah, it's like it doesn't work.
So we've got Greg and we're going to go the short way, he says.
Yeah, we'll go the short way so that we can cut through Stillwater. And it's nice because then we don't have to go on Santa Fe.
Oh, we wouldn't go on Santa Fe. You would have to?
Well, on your route that you sent me.
I was on Santa Fe?
It was on Santa Fe for like, it's like a mile.
Oh.
But
I don't want to go on Santa Fe.
Yeah, it's like.
All right, we parted ways with Groove Subaru. Greg said, hey, let's turn right and go up one climb. I said, okay. Come to find out, it's a 20-minute climb. So he's gone. But hopefully he'll wait for me at the top. All right, so no more Greggy D. We're on the Cherry Creek Trail. Looks like it's gonna end up being a little bit longer than 80 miles. Thanks to Greg. Probably closer to 100. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. But anyways, we're on our way. 4 hours in. Let's see how it goes. Kurt. Woo. Yeah. All right, here it is, peoples. Contravans. That's not my van, but it is a cool van. Backing her on in. Check it out. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Yeah, I got my van. Currently, I am sitting in said van. it was an awesome ride to Denver. I was so thankful for the group of people that I got to ride with up there, and Greggy D for showing me a little bit of the route up. But yeah, I would show you guys the van, but I'm gonna save that for another video so we can kind of dive into all the cool little tips and tricks and kind of special things that are within inside the van and my race home. I'm really excited to start this partnership with Contravans. I mean, it's so surreal. This is something that I've dreamed about since I was like 16, was to have my own van that was kind of decked out RV style that I could live in if I wanted to. I could commute in, whatever, and like a home. Yeah, it's pretty cool. An adventure style van. So I'm really thankful for them and coming onto the team, because it's the start of something really cool. And yeah, I'm really excited to see what it turns into. So anyways, if you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the video. It really helps me out a lot. I will put the link to Contravans Instagram and their website in the link below. If you want to know what this van build looks like, be sure to look out for the next video. I'm gonna break it all down, price, everything, so you guys can have an idea of customizing your own van someday, and maybe with Contravans, who knows. But anyways, thanks again for watching. Again, please like and subscribe this video. If you're going to be at Midsouth here in a couple weeks, be sure to reach out and come hang out in the van. You'll actually get to see it in person, maybe even before the video gets released of the van tour. So anyways, thanks again, guys. See ya. Peace.